What's up, guys? So today we have what is called a 4-step cleaning restoration process. So what we're going to do with this old beat up looking tractor is this. Step 1, clean. Step 2, prep. Step 3, clean again. And step 4, shine. Easy, breezy, and it's going to look beautiful. So as you can see in this video, we have the process laid out before you. Yes, you can see this tractor doesn't look too good, looks old and withered. Good thing we have the restoration kit to completely restore it. And now, as completed all 4 steps, boom, look at it. Shiny, beautiful, gorgeous. I don't know about you, but I would not mind seeing driving down the road in a good looking tractor like this. So, if you have any interest in having your vehicle of any kind look from old and withered to brand new and gorgeous, City Restore is your place to be. Hit me up in the comments below. Tell me what you think, and we'll chat about it.
We do awesome work.